You see Pacquiao land a beautiful short left cross right over the shoulder. Diaz never even saw it.
Fast.
Amazingly fast.
Fucking amazingly fast.
Magandang araw mga pre. June 28, 2008, na isa katuparan ang dream fight ng tinaguriang The Dangerous ng lightweight division at dating Olympian na si David Diaz kontra sa 4 division world champion noon na si Manny Pacquiao, na kung saan ang dream fight ni Diaz na labis na inaasam-asam niya ay naging madugo ang naging resulta sa ibabaw ng lona. Muli nating balikan at pag-usapan ang nasabing madugong bakbakan. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman pre. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga videos ko. David Diaz, ang tinaguriang The Dangerous ng lightweight division. May kartadang 34 wins, only 1 defeat at isang tabla. Nagsabi na ang laban niya kay Manny Pacquiao ay isang dream fight umano dahil si Manny Pacquiao ay tinagurian na isa sa pinakamagaling sa larangan ng boxing. 4 division world champion na. Kakasungkit lang niyang kaniyang pang-apat na division sa parehong taon nang manalo siya via split decision kay Juan Manuel Dinamita Marquez sa super featherweight division at kasalukuyang top pound for pound noon. Ito rin ang unang tungtong ni Manny Pacquiao sa lightweight division. Ito ang pangatlong pagdepensa ni David Diaz sa kaniyang WBC lightweight title. Matagumpay niya itong nadepensahan sa pangalawang pagkakataon kontra kay Eric Morales via unanimous decision. Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, gabi ng June 28, 2008. Nakatakda ang labang Diaz versus Manny Pacquiao at pinamagatan itong lethal combination. Bit-bit ni Diaz, 32 anyos na noon, ang kartadang 34 wins, only 1 defeat, 1 draw at 17 dito via KO. Habang si Manny Pacquiao noon ay 29 years old, ay may kartadang 46 wins, 3 losses, 2 draws at 34 via knockout. Parehong southpaw ang estilo ng dalawa. Unang round pa lang ng laban, makikita agad ang bilis ng galaw ni Pacman habang nagbabato ito ng mga kombinasyon niya. Si Diaz naman ay may kabagalan ang galaw, pero bumibitaw ng mga mabibigat na suntok.
And I think that's what he should do too. But you know, looking at Manny division, you see a lot of fat or something like Duran. He looks perfect.
And already Diaz begins to hit him in the body with the punches that are aimed. It's not easy to put away, however, by Diaz's gloves.
Yeah, but Pacquiao's boxing usually can't do too much offensive simply because he's not fast enough yet. Until Pacquiao slows down, it's going to be hard for him to do anything.
Second round, sinusubukang sabayan ni Diaz ang bilis ni Pacman. Palitan ng mga kombinasyon ang dalawa, pero talagang mabilis si Pacquiao. Sa round din na ito nagkaroon ng sugat ang ilong ni Diaz at nag-umpisa ng dumugo sa second round pa lang.
Caught Pacquiao right between.
But he has not been landing. Those punches are not landing. Diaz is catching the punches. And there he is. Get up all throughout the whole fight.
Pacquiao trying to thrash Diaz with speed. Catches him with a right hook. Big left over the top by Pacquiao. Big left over the top by Diaz. Blood coming from the right eye of David Diaz. Emmanuel.
It's a good cut, man. One of the best.
The cut is right on the bridge of his nose.
Why are you jabbing? I don't know. Say you're making it hard for yourself. You're lining up
Sit up here, Jim.
I think something that's very unusual. Beautiful combination. Right uppercut, then followed by left, right uppercut up between the gloves. That make of the pop.
Third round, walang kupas ang bilis ni Pacman, habang si Diaz ay patuloy na sinasalo ang mga suntok. Talagang makikitang napag-iwanan sa bilis ni Pacman.
Pacquiao, who had for Diaz. A wildly active Pacquiao threw 114 punches.
On the top, he's doing so many different things.
He looks spectacular. Pacquiao again with that right hook, right uppercut combination. Tremendous work with the right hand by Pacquiao. Hooking and uppercutting just the same way. Blocking that right hook. Pacquiao gets to his body. 2 body shots from Diaz, and a third one as the round comes to a close.
Pacquiao throwing his right hook, something that he can't normally do when he's fighting the standard right-handed fighter, and he seems to love it. That's been his pet punch so far most of the fight.
Fourth round, patuloy ang bakbakan, palitan ng patama ang magkalaban. Pero kung bilis talaga ang pag-usapan ay makikitang walang laban si Diaz. Too fast and too good, sabi ng mga komentator sa laban.
Pacquiao give him an extra push on Pacquiao moving up to lightweight. Gee, maybe he's finally found a way to the speed and major advantages when at distance. Pacquiao would be able to cut Diaz up.
Speed is just too much while he's punching.
A southpaw Jack Dempsey in the lightweight division. A non-stop aggressor with speed and power beyond Caballo Diaz, as you said, Emmanuel. So he's bleeding from the nose and he's bleeding from above the right eye. Perfect shot by Pacquiao. They throw at the same time. The difference in hand speed is so evident.
Unbelievable with the hand speed as well as the foot speed right there. Diaz not on the
Diaz's left eye is beginning to swell.
Hey, your last 30 seconds, you did what you're supposed to.
Panglimang round, puno na ng pasa ang mukha ni Diaz, habang si Manny Pacquiao ay tila preskong-presko pa ang mukha. Patuloy na tinatamaan si Diaz ng mga malulutong na suntok ni Pacman na lalong naging sanhi ng pagdurugo ng mukha ni Diaz.
Uppercuts, leading with hooks, crosses, and uppercuts. Pacquiao more or less dispensing with the jab. That comes forward. Speaks for itself.
It's very interesting. After Pacquiao's always been known as the puncher, moves more than not to do the things that he's doing.
And incidentally, consider this. In 2 fights against Pacquiao, Marquez has won more rounds than Pacquiao has won. That's how good he is. If it were a couple of answers in there, what guts, what determination by David Diaz.
That round, but you're not staying low enough. And when you're in, you're not put on.
Ika-6 na round, patuloy ang madugong laban. Makikita pa rin ang bilis ni Pacman na tila walang kapaguran, habang si Diaz ay pinapakita ang pusong kampyon. Hindi sumusuko kahit bugbog sarado na at duguan pa.
On his shield. So that puts pressure on the referee and medical authorities. So Diaz has to be earning the respect of the crowd as he continues to fire resolutely in round 6. And the incomparable ring violence for this era in boxing.
As soon as the bell rings, it starts bleeding right away again. It's a big factor in this fight.
Halfway.
Punches in such a volume, and they're all coming from different angles. He's mixing up, and that's why it's so hard for Diaz to stop the punches, because he's not just throwing one punch or two. It's the speed and the variety of punches is just too much for him.
Ika-7 round, makikita ang humihina na si Diaz, pero si Pacman ay full charge pa rin sa laban. Patuloy na binubugbog ang kampyon sa lightweight division.
Normally we look at Pacquiao as such a power puncher, unless they end up with another disqualification.
To the degree that boxing can be, he somehow got that done. His career will never be compared with that of the great Eric Morales. Back in the Philippines, when he goes to class to sit in a college classroom, 5 armed bodyguards have to wait.
That he does doing homework or studying.
The teachers, like the students, scream and shout when he comes into the room.
I told you, all right?
Just like in the gym.
Pang-8 round, walang pagbabago ang takbo ng laban. Andyan pa rin ang bilis ng kombinasyon ni Pacman, habang pusong kampyon naman ang pinapakita ni Diaz. Sinusubukang makasabay sa bilis ni Pacquiao.
Eventually returns, maybe made anything he looks faster.
He looks faster, more natural, looks stronger.
Fires a straight jab, comes forward to make clear, I'm still a fighter, I'm not going to go away. Going to take punishment in a fight where he's not going to go down, not going to get knocked out. He blocked a lot.
But there's no power, so it's just a matter of time before he gets knocked out. unless the referee or the corner stops him and stops the fight. Now he's looking entirely strictly at his eye in his face. So he's
Increasingly on the defensive, Diaz has less and less to offer as the 8th round goes on.
Yeah, I think the corner should stop the fight. It would be a graceful way to end it, but it's over for all practice.
Pang-siyam na round, lamog na ang muka ng tinaguriang The Dangerous ng lightweight division, duguan, pero matapang na lumalaban.
Stopping the fight in the 9th if things continue the way they've been. Instead of Diaz's, it would have been stopped before now.
It probably would have, you know, because the fight eventually ends.
He's had his moment in the sun. He's got an $800,000 guarantee and the chance for pay-per-view benefits if the buy rate rises above a certain.
And he's did a good job. He's just not talented enough to compete.
Pero ilang segundo na lang ang natira. Sa ikasyam na round ay nasapul ang matapang na defending champion ng isang pamatay na kaliwa ni Manny Pacquiao at tumama ito sa panga. Bagsak ito, nauna ang mukha at di na nakabangon para pumalag pa.
Down he goes and Dracula stops the fight.
He should have never got to that.
Welcome to the lightweight division. Right on the chin. Through 8 rounds, the 3.
Panalo si Manny Pacquiao via 9th round TKO at hinirang na the new WBC lightweight champion at nakuha ang panglima niyang titulo sa iba't ibang division. Sa panalong ito, naipako ni Manny Pacquiao ang pagiging number 1 pound for pound sa boxing. Matapos ang laban, sa isang interview, ay walang ibang bukang bibig si Diaz kundi ang paghanga niya sa bilis ni Manny Pacquiao.
He's just too fast. Was that basically the story of the fight?
Yeah, he was too fast. Fucker was too fast. fast.
Amazingly fast.
Fucking amazing fast.
Inakala din daw niya na andun daw si Coach Freddie Roach sa ibabaw ng lona at kasama ni Manny Pacquiao na sumuntok sa kanya dahil sa sobrang bilis at dami ng kamaong sinalo niya.
I thought Freddie was in there fucking hitting me too. So, you know. Hey, you know what it happens? You go into the fight and you go in and you risk.
Kahit natalo ang tinaguriang The Dangerous, dating Olympian at dating hari ng lightweight division, ay marami pa rin ang humanga sa kanya. Kasama na ang mga Pinoy boxing fans dahil sa pinakita niyang pusong mandirigma sa laban, sa pagiging marespeto at higit sa lahat, ang bukal sa loob na pagtanggap ng kanyang pagkatalo.
So, you know, he's good. He's fucking good. And my hats go off to him. We went in there and I fought and I gave him my all. And his speed was just the thing that sealed it for me. His speed was too uncontrollable. I mean. Manny Pacquiao is an awesome person.
All right.
Dahil dito, ay kinikilala pa rin siya ng karamihan na isang tunay na kampiyon. Bit-bit ni Manny Pacquiao ang premium $3 million habang si Diaz ay dala-dala ang $850,000, ang pinakamalaking premium nakuha niya sa kaniyang buong karera. Salamat sa ipinakita mong napakagandang laban, David The Dangerous Diaz. Shout out kay Romnick Pinia Florida from Santa Jose, Pagusan. Roel Omega from Tanawan, Leyte. Shout out din daw kay Kerry Mary Ann Parocho from Carigara, Leyte. Chardin Ramirez from Cebu. Kwentong Buhay, Pacto in Pacta, Bakbakan TV Boxing, Librando Habilora. Jodel Forever from Sugod, Southern Leyte. Ingat kayo dyan pre at maraming salamat sa panonood.